Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 18th, and this is my analysis of gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I think it's extremely clear that this is a big 1-2-3 pattern. Most likely place for a wave 3 to go is normally the 161.8% Fibonacci extension of wave 1. So I am definitely still very bullish on gold. I still think there's a very good likelihood it's going to end up going up, finishing a wave 3, making a wave 4, and making a wave 5, probably eventually looking something like that. Now that is the monthly time frame, and it's going to take a very, very long time to play out. Heading down to the weekly is where you can see the subdivision. So this is a 1, this is a 2. Then I think this is all a wave 3. So this is a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and we're now in a wave 3 of 3. Like I said, the most likely place for this to go is the 161.8. So I am definitely still very bullish on gold. I think this is a subdivision, wave 3, and it's part of a bigger wave 3 on the much larger time frames. So that makes it a wave 3 of wave 3, which is why it's such a strong uptrend. Heading down to the daily time frame, I mean, it's pretty clear this is a 1-2-3 on the daily. I mean, we do have a big spike candle here, but like I said, the 161.8 is actually still quite a ways up there, around $2,550. I still think there's a very good likelihood that this is going to go up, take out these highs, and probably head all the way up to around that 2550 area. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. Now the next area of resistance for me is actually this 138.3 Fibonacci extension, which is right below the 2440 area. I think we already have the end of a correction right here, and I think it's just making a little bit of an overlapping pattern because there is a lot of selling pressure, but I think the trend is up and I think it's going to continue to stay up. I think this is possibly going to end up being like almost like an ending diagonal type thing. Like this is a 1, this is a 2, it goes up and makes a 3, probably a 4 and a 5, and it's going to end up being a very overlapping pattern because, like I said, I think there is a lot of people trying to sell this thing. So anyways, let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. Now I do have a base channel on the 1 hour time frame, as you can see right here, because if it really is like an ending diagonal type patterns, base channels do work really, really well in those circumstances. I think this is a 1. This is extremely clear 5 waves down, very clear 3 waves up, very clear 5 waves down. So 1, 2. I think we're in a wave 3 right now, which is likely, and probably not like that, but probably something like this, up towards the top of this base channel. Then it's probably going to make another ABC of 4, probably back towards the bottom of the base channel. Then probably back up for a wave 5, back to the top of the base channel. Like I said, I kind of think it's going to bounce around inside this channel and make its way up to the 2440 area to finish off this like ending diagonal type pattern, which is definitely what it looks like to me. I think we're in a wave 3 of this ending diagonal pattern, which is kind of odd because I think the higher time frames are still in a much bigger uptrend. So I think we may have a little bit of a choppy market over the next few weeks on gold because there's a lot of people trying to sell their longs or trying to sell ways. And I actually think the prevailing trend is still up because it's a wave 3 of 3. So I think the trend is up and it's going to continue up. But there's a lot of people trying to sell this thing right now, I believe. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel link down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions and gives you access to my swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.